Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today we got a question from geometry. Let's see how to solve this. So in this question we are given a square which is of 9 centimeter length, right? Each side is of 9 centimeter and it is given that it is divided into three equal parts. So if it is divided into three equal parts, that means this will be 3 centimeter, this will be 3 centimeter, and this will be 3 centimeter, like this. Yes. Find the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region which is in the form of an octagon, right? So how we can solve this? Let's find the area of this square first. To find the area of square, what we need to do? 9 times 9, which will give us 81 centimeter square. So we got the area of square as 81. Now, if I remove the area of these right triangles, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I remove the area of these four right triangles, I can find the area of this octagon. And can you see that all the four right triangles are congruent? They are equal. So let's find the area of one right triangle and multiply it by 4 to find the area of all the four right triangles because all of them are congruent. So the base of this right triangle is 3 centimeter and height is also 3 centimeter. So area will be half times 3 times 3. Correct. So this is the area of one right triangle. What will be the area of four right triangles? I will multiply it by 4 because all four are equal. So 2 and 4 will get cancelled out and I will get 3 times 3 9, 9 times 2 18 centimeter square. Correct. Now this is the area of four right triangles. Now we will find the area of shaded region. Shaded region will be square minus four right triangles. Correct. That means 81 minus 18. That means what we will get? I will get 63 centimeter square. So our answer will be 63 centimeter square. See how easy it was. I hope you understood the solution. If yes, please share it with others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.